Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a platform that you can use to video chat with people, um, to talk to and see people while you're talking to them, and you can use it to talk to one or many people. So I've searched Google Meet on Google, and I'm going to click on that, and then it'll take me to the Google Meet homepage. So sometimes in order to access a Google Meet, you have a code or link, and you can enter that here and then click join. Or if you want to, you can just start a new meeting and then send people the link. So we're going to click on new meeting. So you can either get a meeting link to share and then send that link to people, or you can start an instant meeting, so right away, or you can schedule it in Google Calendar and use the add conferencing option to schedule a Google Meet at the time that you want. And in Google Calendar, you can also make it a repeating event, if that's what you want, and you want to use the same Google Meet code every time. So I'm going to click on Start an Instant Meeting. So that's going to start a meeting right away. And then I can turn my camera on or off so that other people can see me or not. And I can turn my microphone on or off in the Google Meet. And what present does is it shows the other people your computer screen, or you can show them a tab or a specific window. So I'm going to click on join now. That starts the Google Meet, and then it's showing me this joining info. And that's what I can send to people if I want them to join me in the Google Meet, or I can add people. And it has a lot of different features that you can use. For example, you can turn on captions, and then it types out everything that's said in the Google Meet. Or you can click present now, and then you can present either a Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen. You can also click on more options, and then you can open a Jamboard, which is a newer feature, or you can change the layout. So if you have a lot of people in the Google Meet, you might want to see everyone, or just the person who's talking, or just the person who's talking and some of the other people. And if you set it to tiled, you can set how many people you see in the Google Meet. I'm going to change it back to auto right now. It also has a chat feature where you can write things to the other people in the Google Meet. So I can say, hi guys, for example. And if I click on here, then it shows me who else is in the Google Meet, which currently is just me. But if there were other people, they would show up here. Also, there are these options. You can turn your camera on or off, or your microphone on or off, as I mentioned before. And then what this does is when you're all done and you want to leave the call, then you can click on this, or you can just close the window and then you leave the Google Meet. You can also click on meeting details, and then it'll show you the link, and you can copy that and send it to people that you want to join. And if anyone added attachments in Google Calendar, they would show up here. Also, if someone sends you a Google Meet link, you can just click on it and it'll open it. You don't have to download any special software in order to use Google Meet. Okay, thanks for joining me today.